Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Freshsales CRM from your HubSpot workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Freshsales CRM from your HubSpot workflows, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your HubSpot account. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. On the left sidebar, look for the Integrations option and click on it. In the Integrations section, find the Connected Apps tab. Locate Freshsales CRM from the list of connected applications. Click on Freshsales CRM to access its settings. Once in the Freshsales CRM settings, look for the option to disconnect or uninstall. Confirm the disconnection when prompted. Return to the Workflow section within your HubSpot account. Navigate to Workflows in the main menu. Choose the specific workflow that includes the Freshsales CRM integration. Open the workflow by clicking on its name. In the Workflow Editor, look for any actions related to Freshsales CRM. Remove any Freshsales related actions from the workflow. Double-check for any additional dependencies or settings tied to Freshsales during this step. Once all actions have been removed, save your changes to the workflow. Finally, review your other workflows to ensure Freshsales CRM has been fully uninstalled from all processes. Your Freshsales CRM is now uninstalled from your HubSpot workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.